So now seems as good a time as any to do some major surgery on the old girl. What better time to do your valves and shims? And a beautiful day for it. I suspect I'm officially brain fucked now, but by swapping two shims on the front, because there's uneven wear on the exhaust, I got them to balance up. On the rear, I've managed to swap that shim and that shim over. Those two won't swap. That one will swap to there, that's done, and I've had to order a 2.35 for that one. Dear God. I am not a genius. Give me old-fashioned valves, do them in a second. But bloody shims. On the upside, I'm having a good clean up of all the electrics. This switch is from the rectifier, had a bit of corrosion in the joint. I'll clean that out and I'll put some anti-corrosion cream on there. Other than that, she seems in pretty good order. I'll keep you updated. Oh, fine boys and girls. Oh, that's a bit high, isn't it? Let's lower you down a fraction, otherwise you'll be staring at the ceiling. Oh, I decided that there's no better time than today, or 2 days ago, to take the bike, strip it right down. I've spent a winter off-roading in mud, there's road salt, there's all sorts. When I opened the battery compartment, there was mud in there caked, one corroded wire, which obviously I'll resolve. But the irony is the valves. Now 2 valves exhaust, 2 valves inlet, 2 heads, 8 valves. Not one single valve reading was exactly the same. They were all pretty close, all within that 5 to 10 thou parameter, depending on exhaust or inlet. And the only one I've had any problems with was the rear exhaust. One was really borderline, so I've ordered a new shim for that. I thought, well, how can it be that if an engine runs smoothly and the cams are opening at the same time, both exhaust valves, both inlet valves, how can one wear differently to the other? So I went back, I got a service history when I bought the bike, and I went back right to day one and I've looked at the service history, and there have been four noted valve adjustments. So did the garages hodgepodge it, or are somehow valves wearing differently? Same material, same pressure, same heat, same travel. Why would 2 valves on the shared cam wear differently? Don't know if anybody has an answer, let me know. There are lots of other jobs to do. I'm going to spend the next few days in the sunshine going front to back. I'm highly tempted to get the swing arm off, because the swing arm bearings are the only thing I haven't actually looked at. I've replaced front wheel bearings, rear wheel bearings were good and re-greased. That was 6 months ago. I haven't touched the swing arm bearings. Do I want to get that involved? Well, plenty of time, haven't I? I'm on the government 12-week lockdown, so God knows. It's been two weeks tomorrow for me. I've been out once to get electricity. I've got a friend who's going to get more when I need it, so I shouldn't need to go out again. Now when you're on a 12-week lockdown, you get a letter from the government, and on the letter it says all your cares will be catered for. So I signed up and I got a phone call and I said, look, honestly I've got about 2 weeks food. Pre-winter, this isn't hoarding, but pre-winter I stock a cupboard. So if we get a strong snowfall out there, which we've had twice, where you just don't want to go out, I've always got food in the cupboard, so I'm all right. But she said, oh well, we can arrange your shopping for you. This is going to be interesting because no way are they getting my debit card. No way have I got cash in the house. I never keep cash in the house. I'm probably scraped together about 25 quid. So how is this going to work? Does anybody know? Interesting times. But the most interesting part was yesterday the postman delivered a pack of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 20 loo rolls in a packet. Grey envelope. Postman brought it, opened it. The irony is, bear with me, I'll go and get one. Yeah, I'm back. The irony is, they're Chinese. As I now have 20 Chinese loo rolls. Can't tell you the name on the packet because it's symbols. I don't speak Chinese. Here's a surprise. The one thing I don't need, I always buy my loo rolls in the 9 packets. I just had one before the lockdown, before coronavirus was, and I'd only used one. I don't get through many. When my daughter, one of my daughters stays, I get through a roll about every 2 days. When I'm on my own, roll. Just the irony. So if you're desperate for loo rolls, let me know. I've got 20 Chinese rolls I can post you. I'm confounded. The government have offered to help. They'll send someone to collect my car to go shopping for me. They sent me loo rolls. This world has gone crazy. Anyway, that's irrelevant. I'm enjoying the sunshine. I'm enjoying working on the bike. Dirty clothes. I hope you're enjoying things. I hope you're staying safe. Just a short one. Just to show I'm still alive. Touch wood. And I'll give you an update as and when I get anything major or find anything significant on the bike. In the meantime, stay safe, be happy, piss off the miserable people. Bye.